Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up boom arm. Firstly, position the table clamp on the edge of your installation table, then rotate the handle to tighten and secure the clamp firmly. Ensure the clamp sits flat on both the top and bottom surfaces of the table for maximum stability. Locate the arm mounting hole on the top surface of the table clamp and insert the boom arm into the hole. Adjust the arm direction as needed and tighten the set screw to lock the arm securely in place. Hold the arm securely before adjusting the angle and move the arm to your desired position. Be cautious not to apply excessive force and avoid pinching your fingers in the gaps between moving parts. Secure microphone to the microphone mounting section and tighten the set screw to ensure the microphone is held firmly. If your microphone has a different thread size, use a threaded adapter or like Audio-Technica clips and mounts to use 5 to 8 inches 27 thread. Rotate the microphone cable, use the included cable clips and attach the clips at 4 locations along the arm for a TD setup. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.